What's going on, guys? I've got a 2012 Nissan Juke here, and I'm going to show you how to change the side marker bulb. You're going to be replacing it with a 194 bulb, and the connector is actually right there, this upper piece. So you don't have to actually disconnect the socket. You can just grab it and rotate it counterclockwise, and it will come out like so. And just pinch the bulb out, grab your new bulb, and pop it in. And you're going to want to guide it back up into its home. Let's see. There we go. So push it in and then turn it clockwise and it will lock in place. You can also get to the turn signal bulb here as well. So yeah, that's about it. Let me know if you guys have any questions.